A city which lives in its past and decay at the same time. A city which was named Aligarh once upon a time and then named Calcutta. I'm stepping out from my home after 1 year, and it is so nostalgic for me to come in this area because this area is so very special for me and I'm very emotional at this point of time. And this is Hathi Bagan. This is my Hathi Bagan where I have so many memories, and I can't tell you right now what I'm feeling. And you know what? Why I love this place? Because this place reminds me of the old days. Not my old days, my parents' old days, your parents' old days. I have heard so many things about this place from my uncle, from my aunt, from my mom and from my dad and from everybody else who is there in my life. And I have read as well because this place is very famous over here in Kolkata. और जो लोग यहाँ पे पहले रहते होंगे, they obviously know कि इस जगह की जो इम्पोर्टेंस है, इस जगह की जो स्पेशलिटी है वो कितनी ज़्यादा है. So why this place is so special for me? Obviously because of these old houses over here, which is tremendously beautiful as we all know, and who have not seen yet, please, whenever you guys will come to Kolkata, please visit these places over here in Kolkata, because these places needs to be known by everybody who has never come over here. This place was once called a cinema pada. Pada is basically a Bengali word, and pada in Hindi is basically mohalla. So why this is so special? Because एक टाइम पे क्या होता था ड्यूरिंग 60s 70s, उस टाइम पे जो हाउस वाइफ्स हुआ करती थी, दे यूज टू गो टू द सिनेमा हॉल्स एंड लाइक वंस इन अ वीक, स्पेशली वीकेंड्स में, एंड 3-4 महिलाएं दे यूज टू गो टुगेदर टू द थिएटर्स, और आफ्टर वॉचिंग द मूवीज दे यूज टू go to over here there is a place called Tripti. They used to have food from there, like snacks from there, and then they used to do shopping. And before as well, before going to the theatre, before entering in the theatre, they used to go and they used to do shopping. They used to buy household things over here from Hathi Bagan market, which is very popular over here. Because over here जो साड़ियाँ मिलती थी, जो चीज़ें मिलती थी यहाँ पे, वो बहुत ही सस्ते दामों में मिलती थी, as we all know. जिनको पता होगा और जिनको नहीं पता है उनके लिए मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि if ever you guys will come to Kolkata, please visit this place. You will get amazing things over here, and please do visit these amazing houses. बचपन से आई यूज टू स्टे आउटसाइड बिकॉज माई फादर वॉज इन डिफेंस, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन माई अर्लियर वीडियो. सो जब भी हम लोग कोलकाता आया करते थे and be it from the Kolkata airport, be it from the Howrah station, from Shialda station, that feeling that like in every summer vacation we will come over here in Kolkata, and the moment we will go out of the railway station or the airport, we will take that yellow and black cab. And why yellow and black cabs? Because us taxi mein chad ke I used to go to my nani's house, my grandma's house, and which makes me very nostalgic. So वो जब हम हावड़ा स्टेशन से बाहर निकलते थे और जब हम उस येलो और ब्लैक टैक्सी में करके हम जाते थे वो हावड़ा ब्रिज के ऊपर से, it used to give me a very different feeling whenever I used to come here, because मैं कोलकाता में बहुत सालों से रही नहीं हूँ, मतलब जब मैं छोटी थी, तो yeah, it is very special for me. Any pani puri wala over here, because I am missing pani puri right now and I cannot have it outside, because as you all know we can't have pani puri right now, but I still will find one pani puri wala. Is it just me who is not getting any pani puri wala over here in this such big place? Okay, no worries, I am here, I can go out from my home and this is enough for me. Come, I'll show you some other places. This lane is full of restaurants. So why I showed you those restaurants? Because oh हाँ, उससे पहले एक बात है कि ये मैं इन लेन्स में से चलते हुए कभी भी नहीं थकती. I never get tired. तो बात यह है कि यहाँ हाथी बागान में I used to stay for almost 1.5 years, जिस वजह से ना मैं इस जगह को थोड़ा बहुत अच्छे से जानती ही हूँ. And I'm aware of few things over here. And restaurants दिखाने का कारण यही है कि whenever we used to come back home और हमें खाना बनाने का मन नहीं करता था, so we used to go to those restaurants कभी भी रात के 10 बजे, 10:30 बजे, 11 बजे. Whenever we used to go, they never ever disappointed us, and especially North Calcutta never disappointed me, क्योंकि कभी भी उनके पास मैं जाती थी तो जब हम जाते थे तो वो हम लोगों को कभी भी अगर उनके पास हमारा पसंद का डिश होता भी नहीं था तो भी कुछ ना कुछ करके they used to manage and they used to feed us food, and that is like really really overwhelming. बहुत ही, और ये चीज़ आजकल तो बहुत जगह पे दिखने को भी नहीं मिलती, एंड ये यहाँ की एक स्पेशलिटी है. और पता है इस लेन्स में से अगर आप चलना स्टार्ट करोगे ना, so it's never ending. You won't get bored ever, because you will just keep on walking. You can't get rid of these lanes ever. কি হয়েছে আমি যাই খেলো কি ঠিক আছে দাও আমাকে. So you know why these lanes are very special, because that old smell of old things you will get here. It's very 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 beautiful here.
So you seem upset. What's the matter?
I'm not upset. I'm tired. I'm so tired. It's just that I got out from my home after 1 year, and that 1 year is taking my class. I just can't take it. I'm so tired. The moment the camera goes off, I will just go and sleep, and I'll just wake up after 2 years.
So how did it feel after going out?
It's amazing. It feels amazing. I just can't tell you. It just feels amazing.
You know, the number of people on the street, did it feel a little awkward or a little weird?
It felt a little awkward. At times I was feeling like I should run away from that particular place where I see crowded, very much crowded, but then I chose not to because obviously इतने दिनों बाद निकली हूँ तो कुछ तो थोड़ा बहुत तो वो मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता ही है, so it's fine, it's okay.
So I mean, did you eat anything outside that you did not show on the vlog?
No, I did not eat anything.
What?
I just drank 2 sips of water, that too from my own water bottle, nothing else.
And what about that pani puri?
No, pani puri I did not get at all. I searched for it. No, like after that I saw 2-3 pani puri walas, but I did not have. You only said not to have it. I was almost going to have it, but he only stopped me.
In a scale of 10, how did it feel?
I felt 20.
Okay, what's the takeaway?
So yes, the takeaway is that yes, I have to go out every week now, and I have to make it a habit to go out, because the moment I go out right now, today what I felt is I felt very anxious. I should not feel that, because this is my city and I should not feel anxious about it.
Okay, and last words before we get this vlog over.
Last words, it should not be my last words.
That's what I said. Last words before I get this vlog over. So.
My words should be like today's last words should be, please subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to like. If you like anything about this channel, anything about the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and please press the bell icon. You should press the bell icon, and once you will press the bell icon, notification ना चाहते हुए भी चला जाएगा.
Is it time to say goodbye?
Hey, no, the vlog is not over yet.